104 Reasons to Believe in the Geocentric Model, 81 through 90. 81. It really should have been a red flag when they told us that the sun is 93 million miles away and that the moon is only 240,000 miles away. And that it is only by some ridiculously impossible coincidence that they just happen to look the exact same size. 82. Every 75 years Halley's Comet, according to our science, is drawn to the center mass of the sun by a magical force called gravity. However, instead of colliding with the sun as you might expect, at the last moment it somehow goes around the sun. And it does this over and over again. How is this possible in an ever-expanding, chaotic universe where nothing can escape gravity, not even light? 83. We see everything revolving around us because everything is revolving around us. And the reason that we never feel any emotion is because we are not the ones who are in motion. Everything else is. Man is the center of creation. That's how special we are. In fact, in the Book of Books it is said that man is the envy of many angels. 84. They say that the Earth's rotation is due to the surplus energy of the formation of the solar system. Well, that's fine. But what makes the planet's gaseous atmosphere rotate? How can air be fastened to the ground? 85. They put AT at the end of the word plane as a grave marker for the physical plane that we live on. Planets are fake. Only worlds are real. A world is a platform for life, and so of course it's going to be flat and stable. Planets, on the other hand, are a particular type of star called chief or wandering stars. By having us believing that there are many planets out there and that planets and worlds are the same thing, we lose our status as being unique and special. When you control what someone thinks, you are controlling what he believes, and what a man believes will determine how he behaves. 86. Ball Earth may be a common belief, but flat Earth is common sense. 87. At blastoff of the Apollo 11 through 17 Saturn V rockets, we can see, with our own eyes, what's going on. But then 4 minutes after blastoff of these rockets, NASA switches from a live feed to animation, as if they have no idea how to mount a camera to a rocket. And then 6 days later we get to see them splashing down again, with our own eyes. But everything in between those few minutes, we have to take NASA's word for what's going on. 88. Society has become so fake that the truth actually bothers people, and living under the heliocentric model is at the very core of society's miseries. Because, like it or not, we need our God, gods, creator or deities. Everyone needs something that is bigger and better than themselves to believe in, and the heliocentric model denies us of that. In fact, heliocentrism is the largest and most dogmatic religion ever. Believing in science just because it came from a scientist isn't science. Such science is nothing more than a religion that has no moral compass. The older you get, the more you realize that the real bad guys are the ones who are telling you who the bad guys are. 89. You can sit on any beach, and by using a transit, you can survey the ocean's horizon and its so-called curvature. It is always 180% flat and level, and so we know that at least 70% of the Earth's surface is flat and the rest should be obvious. 90. People who are concerned about falling off the edge of a flat Earth never even considers how ridiculous the concept of living upside down on a spinning ball is. No one can ever fall off or even find the edge because there is no edge. The material or physical plane of which Earth is a small part of is most likely infinite. There is no off.